What is up guys, welcome to another episode, and today's video is all about the iOS 18, so let's go. This is the fresh look of the iOS 18 and I'm using the iPhone 13 Pro Max. I hope you guys have updated it too, and guys I think it's pretty dope because iOS 17 भी काफ़ी अच्छा था, but iOS 18 में जो upgradation है from the notification bar, to all the icons that you can set accordingly, I loved it guys. Also you can see there are a lot of options added to the control center, for example specifically for music and connectivity and whatnot. You can arrange it the way you want, and this is something crazy guys. इतना तो बनता है भाई Apple से, you expect this much from Apple and thankfully they have done it. You can also add a lot of controls from the control center, and the list goes on. Choose the best fit for you, what utilities you can add or subtract according to your need. So let's talk about the first feature, that is the voice control. Go to settings, open voice control, activate kar do, and boom. Now you can give commands without using Siri and it is flawless. Commands dete raho guys and the work will be done ASAP. Moving on, let's go to reminders, and I personally think it is very useful as a utility. You can add the reminders you need. Once you get done with it, just click on it and it will disappear. That means it is completed. You can also add a new list. Just name it, जो भी आपकी specific wish list हो, just create it, change the colors, and you can also change the icons right down from here. So it is very dope guys, I won't lie. ये सब चीज़ें तो होनी ही चाहिए, and thankfully Apple did it. And that was all for reminders. Next, let's talk about a very good accessibility, that is the eye tracking. With eye tracking, the camera of your iPhone tracks the movement of your eyeball and accordingly move the cursor here and there wherever you look. So first, to set your eye movement, ये एक iPhone का eye test है which is very playful and vibrant. So इसके through वो आपके eye movement को track करता है, and boom. Now you can use your iPhone without using any buttons. Next, let's go to another accessibility which is very helpful, that is the live speech. इसको ऑन करने पर आप साइड बटन को 3 बार क्लिक करिए and activate live speech. Just type out the command that you want to speak and the iPhone will do it for you.
What's up? I'm not available today.
कोई भी sentence या phrase type करो and just click speak and boom. The iPhone will do it for you.
iOS 18 is dope.
Next, let's go to another feature, that is the music haptics. I think it's a good addition, especially for people who like vibration or haptic touch. By activating it, the music haptics provide haptic feedback for specific supported songs. I feel the most important update is the calculator. यार ये इतना cool calculator है. When you select the scientific calculator, it will give you the calculations like the square root, cube root, tan, sine, cos, and whatnot. The best part is you can also save all these calculations in the notes. But that's not it. Guys, अब हमें बार बार Google पर करेंसी कन्वर्ट करने के लिए सर्च नहीं करना पड़ेगा, because by switching on the convert, your calculator turns into a currency converter. There are a lot of adjustments that you can select and do it by the calculator. Last but not the least is the customization of the home screen. Yes, finally अपने हिसाब से icons को set करो, add a lot of widgets. I think the app library keeps on updating, so you'll get widgets every week or month. Also, you can select the different theme modes like light mode, dark mode, automatic, and the new addition is the tinted one. If you're not a fan of the vibrancy, आप अपने app icons के लिए एक specific hue color choose कर सकते हो and all the icons will turn into that specific color. Not only that, you can make the app size large, and I say the app name will hide, but the app size will increase. So I hope you guys liked this video and found it insightful. If you did, do subscribe to my channel, that would mean a lot. Take care and peace out.